major development, Maharashtra ATS has launched massive raids in Borivali village near Padgha in Thane district's Bhiwandi. These raids are part of the anti-terror operations. These raids are conducted in relation to the terrorism case. Now, who is at the center of these raids? The person that you're seeing on your screen, Saqib Nachan. Saqib Nachan is not just a suspect, but he is the former member of the banned outfit SIMI. SIMI is the Student Islamic Movement of India. Saqib Nachan was involved in 2002-2003 Mumbai bomb blasts that claimed several people's life. Now the latest development is that the ATS is conducting raids in Padgha, and ATS has also raided the house of this person named Saqib Nachan. Over 200 police personnel are present on the ground in Bhiwandi that include police officials from Thane Rural Police as well as the Raigad Rural Police. Now let me tell you about this person named Saqib Nachan. He completed his sentence and was released in 2017, but intelligence inputs say that Saqib Nachan was once again involved in radical and extremist activities. He was alleged that he was involved in giving weapon training sessions, some even involving 8K-47 rifles right here in his village in Padgha. In fact, Nachan was once again arrested in December 2023 by the NIA, that is National Investigation Agency, during a major crackdown on the ISIS Maharashtra module. A total of 15 people were arrested along with Nachan for this crackdown on the ISIS Maharashtra module. Now, police officials from the Thane Rural Police have informed Lokmat Times that the raids have been conducted since 3 a.m., that is midnight, on 2nd June, and the raids are even continuing now. Some people are even called for questioning related to the whole terror network. Now viewers, just remember a few days ago on May 29th, the Maharashtra ATS arrested a Kalwa based person for providing confidential and sensitive information to Pakistan intelligence operative. He was arrested on charges of spying for Pakistan. Just few days after the ATS arrested this Kalwa person named Ravindra Verma, the ATS has now raided locations in Padgha. The big question remains is this a part of a big terror network, as there are various charges on this person named Saqib Nachan for being involved in radical and extremist activities. Whether a new plot is being hatched, a new conspiracy is being hatched, and how far this terror network goes. This is the big question that is being asked. Stay tuned for more such updates. This is Nirmati Patway reporting for Lokmat Times. Thank you.